Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to be cooking the perfect biryani and it's so easy to make. Just stick around till the end and we'll get straight into it. So the first step is to add 1 cup of cooking oil. Let that heat up. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to add 4 medium chopped onions. And I'm going to stir them every so often until they go a light brown. Over here I'm going to start boiling the rice. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt and let that boil. Back to the onions. The onions are now starting to go brown. Right, 2 tablespoons of garlic and 2 tablespoons of ginger. The water for the boiled rice, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil. Now that the garlic and the ginger's gone light brown, and you can't even really see it's mixed in with it, I'm going to add the chicken and the potatoes and 1 kg of chicken in there. And just mix it in. Just keep on stirring in between so it don't stick or burn. I'm going to add the 4 chopped tomatoes now, medium sized tomatoes. And just cook until the chicken goes a bit more brown and the tomatoes start to disappear. And the chicken is just starting to change colour, if you can see here. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and pre-made biryani masala, 5 tablespoons. And then just give it a good mix. And straight away you can smell the herbs and the spices. Beautiful. Smells lovely already. It's only half cooked. Half a cup of mint, 1 cup of coriander and 5 chilies are going in, and give it a good mix. Until all the ingredients are mixed in well, and they smell lovely, this does now. Absolutely beautiful. So I've been cooking for about 15 minutes now. From the start till now it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it to low heat and add half a cup of water. And just cover it and let it simmer and cook. I've added 4 cups of rice into that boiling water, and I'm going to leave them now, cover them and let them cook. Still cooking on low heat. It's been about 15 minutes on low heat and that's ready now. That is absolutely beautiful. And then put the lid on and put that to the side. The rice is now ready. And you can see it's about 90% cooked. Now I'm going to slightly layer the bottom with the chicken. Just a bit. And a bit of rice on top. You need a flat pan for this. And just spread it out evenly. A bit more chicken on top. Smells absolutely beautiful, that. And he ain't even ready yet. And then add a bit more rice to it. On top of that chicken. So there's 3 layers here. A bit of rice at the bottom, chicken, more rice, then chicken, and then the final layer of rice. And then I'm going to add some colouring on top, just a bit. Just like a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to let this cook now for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat with the lid on without stirring it. And the biryani is ready. It smells beautiful. Look at that. MashaAllah, the biryani is ready. If I've missed anything out, I'll put it in the description section. And if you want to know something, just just leave a message in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Till next time, thanks, bye.